Here's one from Ford's specialty vehicle team back in 1998. It's a 1998 Ford Mustang Cobra Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 52,000 is all in this one. A well-maintained and cared-for car, it shows. I'll get into some very tasteful mods that have been done to this car in just a bit. First of all, underneath the hood, 4.6 liter, dual overhead cam V8, of course, that's paired up with the 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at this front Cobra fascia. As you can see, the fog lights down below, very distinguishing on the Cobra fascia, has had hood pins added. And as you can see, black on black, which you do not see a lot of. As far as paint, you can see nice shine to it, reflection, of course the Cobra hood. You gotta remember, this car is pushing, 30 years old. So considering age of the paint, definitely shows well. I'll show a few things I did notice as we walk around, but first, if you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. All the pics will be there, information on the car, description. Or you can call us, 507-386-1726. All right, a couple of mods you're going to notice here. The Cobra R style wheels. And behind that, you do see drilled and slotted rotors. That's at all 4 corners, as well as ceramic low dust brake pads being added at the same time as the rotors. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see nice and straight panels, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, now it's black paint, so you're gonna have an imperfection here or there, but overall, this car definitely shows well. Of course, the black interior, mentioned that earlier, bucket seats, leather of course. Center console, interior looks very stock. AM/FM cassette with CD player, kind of those crossover years. Now back here on the deck lid, I did notice there is a little bit of just kind of water spots or light etching in the deck lid, a little bit up on the roof. Again, it's being pretty fussy considering age, black paint. This car shows well in person, folks. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, how about for some of these tasteful mods I mentioned earlier? When we get underneath the hood, throttle body. It's a BBK twin 65 millimeter throttle body. If you take a look at the underside pictures of the car, you will notice it does have Bassani 3-inch true dual exhaust with high flow cats. Under the hood, you're going to see a 4-inch Anderson Motorsports cold air intake, aluminum cold air intake. These lights are sequential as far as the tail lights go. There's subframe connectors you'll see in the underside pics. I mentioned the drilled and slotted rotors and ceramic pads. And then as far as fluids, all fluids as far as your tranny, diff, coolant, those were changed within the last 4,000 to 5,000 miles. And Royal Purple synthetic oil has been used. That's passed along from the previous owner. If you're into these SN95 Mustangs, or maybe like Mustangs in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what we may get through here as far as Mustangs go. Go into our website and look at sold Mustangs. You'll see what I'm saying. Wide variety of especially Mustangs that we have sold. So if you're into Mustangs, hey, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Like I said, you never know what you may see. Videos are uploaded daily. When they're uploaded, the vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. If you can make it see us in person. All right, let's check out this interior a little closer. Power seat over here on the driver's side, power windows, power mirrors, power locks. And you can also see, again, considering age and miles, this seating surface, nice shape, leather buckets. You'll be able to see them up close and personal in the still pictures. Cruise control and the steering wheel, of course, tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Good sounding car. All right, so there's your exact miles, 52,399. And remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. No warning indicators, check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that on in the dash. Stereo system, of course, the Mach stereo, which is great sounding, by the way. Sure, we're neutral. Top of the dash looks good. You can tell this car is stored indoors too and not driven in inclement weather. Quick take a look at the passenger seat. Hardly looks like it's been sat in. Headliner, also in good shape in this one. No surprises there. Slip around to the back. Nice throaty exhaust note. I will give you a little throttle blip here in a second before we look underneath the hood. Like I said, nice sounding car. Under throttle, that exhaust wakes up. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. I wanna get those hood pins out before I pop the hood. Check out that engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. We're taking this car for a drive, see how it goes down the road. There's a look at the underside of the hood, hood liner, and of course engine bay. First thing that you notice is that Anderson Motorsport cold air intake. Of course, a 4.6 liter dual overhead cam, hand built V8. Want to know who built it? Tags right here. Some tasteful modifications, like I said. There's that BBK throttle body. Tell you what, good looking engine bay. Sounds good, smooth running, and looks good. Best of all, clean Carfax, low miles, well cared for, 98 Ford Mustang Cobra Coupe. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1998 Ford Mustang. This is a 5-speed manual with a nice mean sound to the exhaust. Black on black. Corners very well, doesn't lean into corners hardly at all. Nice acceleration as you would expect. Factory stereo is working great. Our fuel gauge reading almost 3/4 of a tank. Temperature about 1/3 of the way up the gauge. Factory tachometer and speedometer working well. Oil pressure right in the middle of the normal range. And the battery also right in the middle of the normal range. AC is blowing ice cold right now. Leather bucket seats are very comfortable. Brakes working well, nice and smooth. Shift down to third. Great sound to this Mustang, nice and aggressive. And lots of fun. Power seat. Got that right where it's very comfortable. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.